This warehouse is full of dairy milk cartons.
Smooth liquid form of pure chocolate.
This is cocoa liquor.
Whole warehouse is filled with KitKat.
The cocoa, sugar and milk powder mix, the base of dairy milk chocolate.
Guys, I'm trying to get inside the KitKat factory. This is the 2025 plant. Let's see what happens next. Everyone here is sanitizing. You can't go in without washing or the alarm go off. It's super strict. The cocoa beans from Africa. And that's the sugar and milk powder storage. This is where everything starts. The beans are roasted at perfect temperature to bring out the chocolate flavor.
The roasted beans go in here and come out as a smooth liquid form of pure chocolate.
This is cocoa liquor.
Conching machine keeps mixing for hours. This motion never stops. And that's what gives KitKat that creamy melt in the mouth texture.
The ingredients mix here, cocoa, sugar and milk until it turns silky smooth. This is the KitKat base. These are the wafers. Super thin, baked one after another. Soon they'll be coated with chocolate. This is my favorite part, the chocolate waterfall. Every bar gets a smooth, glossy layer. Look at that chocolate wafer chocolate again. That's the
This step is called tempering. It cools the chocolate perfectly so it stays glossy and snaps clean.
The long slabs are sliced into perfect bars. Every piece is identical. It's crazy precise.
Every single bar is checked for cracks or dull color. Only perfect ones move forward. She'll look at the edges, the shine, even tiny bubbles.
That classic
Anything
red
off gets
pack
pulled.
everyone
Now the bars
knows.
travel through this long cooling tunnel. The chocolate hardens and gets that perfect snap. Finally, the KitKats are being
They packed into boxes and sealed, ready to be shipped worldwide.
Whole warehouse is filled with KitKats. From here, they go to stores all over the world. Okay guys, I'm outside the dairy milk chocolate factory. Let's see if I can get inside without getting caught. Super clean. Every person goes through this sanitizing tunnel before entering the chocolate section. These cocoa beans come from Ghana and Ivory Coast. This is where every dairy milk bar begins. Wow, the smell is unreal. These beans are roasted at just the right temperature for that signature dairy milk taste.
Broken outer shells are blown away. Only the cocoa nibs remain. Pure flavor.
This is pure chocolate paste, no sugar, no milk yet, just ground cocoa nibs turned into cocoa liquor.
The cocoa, sugar and milk powder mix, the base of dairy milk chocolate.
The chocolate runs through rollers again and again until it's silky smooth. That's how it gets that creamy feel.
These machines keep mixing the chocolate for hours. It removes bitterness and makes it rich and smooth.
This process is called tempering. The chocolate is cooled and reheated carefully to give it that smooth shine and perfect snap.
Here's where the melted chocolate is poured into molds. This is literally the birth of the dairy milk bar.
Bars move through this long tunnel to cool down. It's freezing in here, but the result is perfect solid chocolate.
Or dull spots. Only the ones that look perfect move ahead.
Every carton holds hundreds of dairy milk bars, ready to be sent out for shipping.
This warehouse is full of dairy milk cartons, each one headed to supermarkets around the world.
And that's it, from cocoa beans to the final purple pack. That's how real dairy milk chocolate is made.